Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to this very snowy day in the life here. It's it's such a snowy weekend here in Nova Scotia. This is the biggest snowstorm we've had definitely in decades. They're calling for 80 to 100 centimeters of snow. We got, I think we got like 30 to 50 yesterday, and we're supposed to get another 30 to 50 today. Dave is currently out snow blowing. The kids tried to play outside, but the snow is just so deep. They're out there now trying to clear off the trampoline. Whoa! We're gonna make some soup. The kids are trying to clear off the trampoline because they're scared that it's gonna break. The snow drifts, I don't even know if you can see, but the snow drifts are almost to the top of the deck on the pool. Really windy and blustery. The kids are out there now. Audrey tried to go out, but in some places the snow is over Audrey's head, some of the drifts. So her and Emily have been in today because it's just too deep. The boys are trying their hardest to clear off the trampoline because they're kind of scared that it's going to break with the weight of all the snow. It's just been crazy. We're going to we're going to break records here, I think, this weekend for snow. Today is Sunday. I don't imagine, well, the kids won't be going to school tomorrow. I don't imagine anybody will be going anywhere. Most of the province, I think, is shut down. I am very grateful that we haven't lost power yet. A lot of places have. So I'm grateful that we haven't. I'm just getting ready to make some soup. We had a rotisserie chicken for supper a few nights ago. So I took all the meat off of it, and so I have the bones and everything in here along with an onion, some salt and pepper.
This on it.
I had a bay leaf that I was going to put in the soup. Did I put it in there?
This on it. This on it.
Well, you can't. Oh, you want to put it on the stove?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
No, right here.
Okay, don't put it on the soup. Okay, I had a bay leaf and I don't know what I did with it. I don't know if I threw it in the soup. Okay, Emily, you can put that in there. I'm going to put some celery salt in there. And some garlic powder. And just going to mix this up.
I'll mix it.
You want to mix it? Okay. And just let it, I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 and just let it sit in there for, yeah, go ahead, you mix up for a couple of hours. I'm hoping to make some rolls. And that sounds like a perfect stormy meal. The kids want to watch a movie later and have some storm treats.
I'm just scared of movie.
No, we're not going to watch a movie that you'll be scared of. So I'm going to get this in the oven and let this kind of simmer in there for a little bit. Okay, Emily, let's put the cover on.
Okay. Can I like this?
No, you're not going to want to lick that. The kids are just getting ready to watch a movie, so we just popped some popcorn, and I just added some of these Bits and Bites snack in there. Okay, are you going to take everybody's down?
Yeah, I guess.
Can you manage them without spilling them? Well, why don't you just, okay, I'll take this one here. Emily's gone in for a nap, so I figured a movie would be something quiet that these guys could do.
Thank you. Oh, yummy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, do you want me to hold them while you get comfy?
Oh, there's cereal.
Yeah, you love cereal, don't you, Ben? Okay, is everybody set?
Mm-hmm.
Did you pick a movie?
Oh, no. Say what?
Enjoy your movie. It's the snow's all, or the window is covered with snow, so it's dark like a movie theater. Okay, enjoy your movie, guys. Mm-hmm. Well, welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're new, my name is Lindsay. I am a Canadian mom.
Hi.
Let me show you guys how our front yard is looking here with this snowstorm. I don't know if you can tell how deep the snow is, but we have probably a 10-foot snowbank in our front yard, and there's just so much snow, it's crazy. People are out on their roofs shoveling the snow because there's so much snow on their roofs, and the snow just keeps coming. It's not supposed to stop until tomorrow.
The snow is up to here already.
Is it as deep, eh?
Yeah.
Audrey and Emily didn't even stay out. Well, Emily wasn't outside today, but Audrey didn't stay out because the snow is just too deep for them to play in. I have my broth is still simmering. I have a few things on the go here. I'm making some chai tea for Dave. I'll show you guys that in a second. I have some dough rising to make some rolls for supper, but the day is just kind of ticking away here. I have 4 cups of water in my pot here. I had my spices out to make sure that I had the spices to make some chai tea. So to my 4 cups of water, I'm going to add 3 tea bags. Okay. All right, so I have 3 tea bags in there. I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, those were 1/2 tablespoon, 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom, and 1 cinnamon stick. So we're going to boil that, and then we're going to add 2 cups of milk, and it says to strain it, but mine are in tea bags, so. I haven't made this tea in a really long time, so I hope my ingredients are still okay. My cardamom. Just going to let that boil. I took my tea bags out, and I'm just going to add 2 cups of milk, and let that simmer on there for a second. Yeah?
Wow.
Are you looking at all the snow?
Get up.
Emily loves to wear Ben's old glasses. We took the lenses out of them. Yes?
The snow on the trampoline is this deep.
Oh dear. The boys just went out to see if they can shovel off some of the snow off the trampoline. They're really worried that the trampoline is going to break. I really hope it doesn't, but it's just crazy. Look at this snow.
Don't grab the yellow
What do you have on? Oh, Emily. Yeah?
Do you think we would have to shovel this trampoline?
I don't know, buddy. You can try if you want, but if it's too hard.
It's gonna snow all night. We're gonna get like this much more snow.
Dad said maybe take a layer off the top if you can.
Don't hit the trampoline with the shovel.
Yeah, like try and skim some off the top. Don't hit the trampoline with your shovel though, because you could tear it. Don't hit the trampoline with your shovel because you could tear it. Jacob's little house that he was making is almost buried. It's just crazy. The snow is like, I don't know if you can tell how deep it is on the deck to the pool. Unreal. So I just poured us our tea, and we're going to have a heavenly hunk. Do you want to take one of those into Daddy? Please.
Mom?
So I just finished my tea. I just thought I would sit for a few minutes and have my tea, and I actually finished my book. This book was so good. I encourage you to read it if you haven't. It was so good. I'm actually gonna pass it on to my mom so she can read it. Our tea was really good. I just came out here and I have some rolls. I should have used a bigger dish, but I just punched down my dough and formed those, so I'm letting those rise. I'm going to get my broth out of the oven. That's been sitting in there for a few hours. The kids are still outside playing. I'm glad that they can actually enjoy the snow. They've just been going through the deep paths there back and forth. I think they're just kind of having fun going through that path. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
This is what they've been doing. They've just been running up and down this path. I'm sure they will enjoy a nice bowl of hot soup when they come in. I'm just so grateful that we haven't lost our power. I'm gonna get this broth out of the oven and get some vegetables. Oh, the lighting is really funny here. Get some vegetables chopped for my soup, and we're gonna have some homemade soup and some nice homemade rolls on this snowy day. The kids and I, the lighting is not very good here. The kids and I are trying to find a door to go out. All the doors are blocked again, so I said I think I can get this one open enough that they can fit. Can you try and shovel the door so I can get out?
Sure.
Okay, the back door maybe? Okay, you're going out that way too. Go sideways, Ben. Keep Emily on the deck, okay, because it's too deep. Emily, you stay on the deck. I'll be right there. I'm not sure I'm gonna fit through that small space. I got a text from the school saying that school is canceled. Somebody's ringing the doorbell. So school is canceled for tomorrow. I imagine school will be canceled probably on Tuesday as well. Anyway, we just finished supper, our soup, and we had homemade buns. That was really good. A nice hearty meal on a snowy day. We're gonna get ready. Dave's gone out to snow blow for probably like the third or fourth time today. The amount of snow is just so crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and shovel the deck, get some fresh air, and spend some time with the kids. I'll take you guys out there for a few minutes. I hope I'm not showing too many snow clips, but it's just a crazy snowstorm here in Nova Scotia this weekend. Audrey's working hard trying to shovel me out. If not, I can, that's stuck at the bottom. Look at her working. I can go out the basement door. I don't have ski pants, and I don't think my boots are going to be tall enough to keep the snow out. All right, let's see if I can. Oh, I have to unlock it first. See if I can fit through. Oh, there we go.
Mom, I'm thirsty. I really want to go on Roger, but I can't. Maybe
The snow is right up to our railing. Oh, just like the snow when we were kids. It's so pretty.
We can go in the driver, but not in the...
Yeah, I'd like for Emily to stay up here. I'll shovel the steps in that. Crazy. All right, well, this seems like a good time to end our video. I'm going to shovel here and spend some time with the kids, get some outdoor time before bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along a little bit on my day today. I know I didn't share a whole lot, but If you're in Nova Scotia and you're experiencing the storm like us, I hope you guys all stay safe. I hope you can hear me over the wind. I will see you guys next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.